The Earth has 4 subsystems: the atmosphere, the air we breathe and the layer of gases surrounding our planet; the hydrosphere, all the water and ice on Earth; the geosphere, all the earth and rock that physically makes up the planet; and the biosphere, which is all the living organisms. The Earth's systems interact to influence the weather and climate of our planet. The Terra satellite works to measure and monitor the energy flow and connections between the atmosphere, geosphere, and the hydrosphere, helping scientists map the impact of human activity on the Earth's health and the effects of natural disasters on the biosphere.
The Terra satellite is NASA's oldest daily Earth viewing satellite. It was launched on December 18, 1999, making it almost 26 years old. It orbits 705 kilometers or 438 miles above the Earth's surface, collecting data about everything from the snow coverage on Earth to the amount of aerosols given off by fires with the use of its 5 instruments. ASTER focuses on land composition, tracking vegetation and soil composition around the world. CERES monitors the energy system of the Earth, measuring net energy, heat energy, and reflected energy. MISR measures the amount and type of atmospheric aerosols formed by natural sources and human activities. MOPIT observes atmospheric carbon monoxide, one of the 6 major air pollutants regulated by the US. Unfortunately, MOPIT had to be retired in early 2025. Finally, MODIS.
MODIS tracks more of the Earth's features than any other Terra instrument. It measures the amount of photosynthetic activity of land and marine plants, helping us learn about how large-scale changes in the biosphere affect the global carbon cycle. It also sees where disasters strike by measuring the surface temperature of the ocean and land, frequency and distribution of cloud cover, and the distribution of water vapor and cloud droplets. It can also estimate the amount of aerosol and gases that large fires release into the atmosphere. We will be focusing on how MODIS monitors changes on the land surface, mapping the extent of snow and the green wave that sweeps the Earth as winter gives way to spring and vegetation blooms across the globe.
On Earth, we experience seasons through the falling of the leaves or freshly fallen snow. In Folsom, we know that it's winter when it starts to rain. But from 438 miles above the Earth, where the Terra satellite orbits, our seasons look like successive waves of green and white covering the Earth. By compiling data from MODIS, specifically the vegetation index and snow coverage, you can see the seasons spread across the Earth. During spring and summer, the vegetation spreads across the globe and the snow coverage recedes. During winter, the vegetation pulls back and the snow coverage pushes in. It looks like the Earth is breathing with the seasons. Net photosynthesis, the process in which plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, also follows the same trend. It spreads across the globe in higher concentrations during summer and recedes during winter. Photosynthesis is also a measure of the interaction between the biosphere and atmosphere, showing how much carbon dioxide plants draw out of the atmosphere.
Due to humanity's rising usage of fossil fuels and increasing destruction of natural habitats, the Earth's average temperature has been steadily increasing, melting more and more of global snow coverage each year. Our Earth and its subsystems are in a delicate balance. By crippling the Earth's ability to reflect sunlight and decreasing the amount of carbon dioxide that plants take out of the atmosphere, we are slowly killing the Earth.
Since its establishment, Terra has made it their mission to provide data regarding human impacts on our planet and how it's changing. With its 5 instruments, ASTER, CERES, MISR, MOPIT, and MODIS, we have been able to compile a great range of useful information that has aided us in understanding the health of our planet Earth.